Hello, my name is Vladisov, and in this devlog I'm going to show you what we made in the past 2 weeks. We created 8 new slot machines, and I'm going to show you one by one what they look like and what's the difference between them. The first one is scripts. It's 20 line slot machine, and it doesn't have any free spins, but the idea here is when you have this symbol on the screen, this pharaoh on the screen, it will stretch downwards if you have it's a wild symbol. So if we have in this case 3 symbols, so it's like a full screen, and you can catch them only in the middle 3. So this is the best case scenario in our case. Also, we made some changes to the materials and some improvements to the performance and some bug fixes, but I'm going to maybe speak about them like in a tutorial in another video. But just as I said, I'm going to show you only the slots now. So this is the first one. The other one is Oasis. It's similar to the scripts, but here when we only have a wild symbol on the second and on the fourth row, and when we have wild there, it will stretch. Like you see, we have wild on the second row here at the top, so the positions that the wild can stretch are around him only, and if it was in the middle one, in the middle here, it will stretch on the 4 rows around it. So the best case scenario is if you get 2 wilds in the middle and you get a full screen of wilds. As you can see, we started using now, because before, if you've played the game, it was only materials, where the animation is similar to this one. As you can see, just some light passing, maybe some color on some symbols. But now we are starting to create more animated style of symbols, like the ones I'm showing here. As you can see, the wild is just nicely animated. So that's the second type. The other slot we have is the maze, the other slot type, because we have total, as I said, 8 slots, but only 4 of them are with different functions. Here it's 20 lines again. The difference is when we catch a free spin, the payments are not only from left to right, but if we have symbols on the right side, it will count them from right to left. So if we catch something, for example, three symbols here from the same type, it will catch them if we're inside the free spins. The payment is the same for everything. So there is nothing too much special here, but I really like the design. It looks like a bit more 3D with those scrolls. So that's for that one. The next type of slot is Gladiator. It's a 3x3 slot machine, and the idea here is it's similar to the other 3x3 slots we have, but the others are 5 lines, and here it's 27 lines, so it catches anywhere on the screen. If you have three symbols from the same type, it doesn't matter where, it will catch them. And the other thing is, if we have full screen like this, it will give us, it will multiply the whole page by 2. So also if we have 2 lines of the same symbol, it will trigger the third trio like this. And if we're lucky, you will get the full screen, and as you see, it's multiplied by 2. So those are the 4 types of slots, of the new slots we have, and these are still from the new slots, but they're similar to the others. So for example, here, if we catch wild on the second or on the fourth, it will stretch it like Oasis. And if we go to the next one, which is Zeus, Zeus is similar to the maze. where here, if we catch free spins, inside the free spins, we're catching symbols from left to right and from right to left. So yeah, just the art style is different, the lines are the same, and payout is the similar as well. But again, the feel of the slot is different because the reels that are in this slot are completely different from the one in the maze. So every slot machine feels different from the other. Again, the next one is ancient tablets, which is similar to the scripts. Here, if we get 2 wilds or 3 as we got here, you can see again we have some small animation for the wild, and they're just stretching downwards. And for the last slot we got here is Rome's Ruins, which is similar to the Gladiator one. It's 3 by 3, and if we get full screen, it will trigger here, and we'll get the win multiplied by 2. So I hope you liked the new slots. We made, as I said, or I'm not sure if I said it, we made some bug improvements, some performance improvements as well, bug fixes I meant. And that's it for this devlog. If you have any questions, ask in the comments or contact us at our email, and we'll be glad to hear them. Thanks for watching.